Brother, here are some pronouns or nouns here. You need to make some example with simple present tense. For example, I speak English, she speaks English, they speak English, we speak English, my father speaks English. You have to make example with drive. I drive, she, okay? Make example with drive.
I drive.
I drive a car.
I drive a car. She drives a car.
Very good.
He drives a car. They drive a car. We drive a car. My father drives a car. Sana drives a car. Irfan drives a car. Asif and Farhan drive a car.
How do you make negative examples? Like do not, does not. Could you try negative?
I do not drive a car.
Mashallah, good.
She does not drive a car. He does not drive a car. They do not drive a car. We do not drive a car. My father does not drive a car. Sana does not drive a car. Irfan does not drive a car. Asif and Farhan do not drive a car.
Okay. Now let me ask you. Uh, how often do you recite Quran every day? Means how many times do you recite Quran every day?
I recite Quran at 7 o'clock
Okay, you recite Quran in the morning
in the
at 7
morning.
o'clock
7 o'clock.
and only in the morning?
Yes, only
Okay,
in the morning.
okay, fine. So you can say I recite Quran one day, or maybe you can say once in a day, one time in a day in the morning. Okay. Does your father drive a car?
No, my father does not drive a
Do
car.
you drive a car?
No, I do not drive a car.
Does your father speak Marathi at home?
No, my father does not speak Marathi at home.
Okay. Uh, when did you wake up today? When did you wake up today?
I woke up 5:30 in the morning.
Right.
After that, of perform namaz.
Okay. No, no, I don't ask that question. No, no problem. Thank you so much. Uh, do you have your breakfast at 9 o'clock in the morning? Do you take breakfast at 9 o'clock in the morning?
No, I do not take breakfast at 9 o'clock in the morning.
When do you take breakfast?
I take breakfast 6 o'clock.
You can try now.
Okay.
Mashallah, good. Very good.
How many brothers and sisters you have?
Yes, no problem.
How many brothers and sisters you have? Do you have? आपके कितने भाई बहन हैं?
My two brothers.
I have two brothers
I have two brothers
and
and I have two sisters.
how many flat do you have?
I one. I have
One flat.
One.
Where do you live in Mumra?
I live in Mumra, Khadi Machine Road.
Okay, okay. And how old are you?
I am 24.
I am 24 years old. Why do you want to speak English?
Sorry.
Why do you want to speak English?
It might be difficult for him. Why do you want to learn English? Because
Because
I want to improve
I want to improve
my communication skills in
my,
English.
my
Okay.
comedy.
Okay, no problem. It might be difficult for you.
Will you go to Bombay tomorrow?
No, I will not go to Mumbai tomorrow.
Okay. Did you take in bath today?
Did you take bath today?
Did you
Yes,
take bath
I
to-
took bath today.
Okay. Did you have breakfast morning?
I took breakfast 6 o'clock.
Okay, okay. Is Shana go to Mumbai?
Does Sana?
Does Shana go to Mumbai? Sorry.
Yes, Sana goes to Mumbai.
Okay, sir.
Okay. In the afternoon, tell me. Okay, let me frame this different way. What did you do in the afternoon today? Should I repeat again?
Yes.
What did you do in the afternoon today? I hope you understand the question. Did you understand, brother?
No.
Okay. Let me repeat again, then I will talk in Hindi. Try to understand in English. What means kya? What did you do in the afternoon today? Did you understand little bit? क्या किया आपने afternoon में? Just tell me two things. This one
Uh,
or rest? Yes.
I afternoon today took lunch.
I took.
I took lunch in the
Okay.
afternoon.
Okay.
At After
Did you
that,
take rest in the afternoon?
yes, I took rest.
Okay, that's it. MashaAllah. Okay. What will you do after this class? What will you do after this class? I will,
I will after
after this class, I will,
after his class I will l- learn
I will learn,
learning
I will learn English.
English.
Again, you will learn English. MashaAllah, good. Will you watch Instagram reels or will you watch YouTube videos? What will you do? Or will you watch prank videos?
No,
Very good, I think so. No, I will not.
you Prime Video.
I will not watch
I will not watch
prank
Prime Video.
videos. Okay, so what kind of videos will you watch? I will.
I will watch YouTube
Okay.
comedy videos.
Okay, funny videos.
Funny
Okay, right,
videos.
right. Which makes you laugh. Okay,
Yes.
that's great. Last thing. Can you repeat this word with me? Reception, receptionist, reception, receptionist, reception, receptionist, reception, receptionist. Could you do it? I think, mashallah, you are Hafiz Quran. I think you can do it because Hafiz Quran, subhanallah, they pronounce ha, ha, kaf, qaf, for example. You could do it. Could you try? Reception, receptionist, reception, receptionist. Could you try? Receptionist.
Receptionist.
Okay.
Reception.
It sounds like satanist. Okay. Okay. So, okay. Thank you for coming, brother. Jazakallah khair. Thank you for coming, brother. I enjoyed talking to you. Okay, you can stop now.
Yeah, very good, brother. How did you do it?
Good, mashallah, not bad.
I just close that one also.
I'll do it. Actually, he has a good understanding of grammar. He understands, although he is a beginner, but he understands present, past, and future difference a little bit.
Let's go, brother. We don't have that much time.
Yeah. Yes, you're most welcome.